Most AI agent frameworks you hear about are written in Python. But a huge part of the software world runs on JavaScript and TypeScript. So what if you want to build an AI agent using the same language and tools you already use for your web app? That is exactly the gap Mastra fills. In this short video we will walk through what Mastra is, why it exists, and how its main building blocks fit together. By the end you will understand when it is a good fit for your projects. So what is Mastra? Mastra is an open-source framework for building AI agents in TypeScript. It was created by the same team behind Gatsby, the popular web framework. The whole idea is to give JavaScript and TypeScript developers one clean toolkit for agents, instead of forcing them to jump over to Python. It runs anywhere JavaScript runs, including Node.js servers, serverless functions, and modern hosting platforms. Because it is TypeScript-first, you get type safety and autocomplete in your editor, which catches mistakes before you ever run the code. Let us define the word agent, because it gets thrown around a lot. An agent is a program that uses a large language model, or LLM, to make decisions and take actions on its own. Instead of you writing every if and else by hand, the model looks at a goal, decides what to do next, calls tools when it needs them, and keeps going until the task is done. A tool is just a function the agent is allowed to call, like searching a database, sending an email, or fetching the weather. The model picks which tool to use and when. Mastra is built around a few core pieces. The first is agents. You define an agent by giving it instructions, choosing which model it should use, and listing the tools it can call. The second piece is tools. These are typed functions with a clear input and output, so the model always knows exactly what data to send. The third piece is workflows, which let you chain steps together in a clear, predictable order when you do not want to leave everything to the model. Together these give you both flexible and controlled behavior. Two more building blocks make Mastra practical for real apps. Memory lets an agent remember past messages and facts across a conversation, so it does not forget what the user said 3 turns ago. You can store this in a database so it survives restarts. Then there is RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is a fancy way of saying the agent can look things up in your own documents before answering, so it gives accurate answers based on your data instead of guessing. Mastra includes built-in helpers for both. One of the nicest things about Mastra is that it is model-agnostic. That means it does not lock you into one AI provider. Through a shared connection layer it can talk to models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and many others. If you want to switch from one model to another, you usually change just a line or two of configuration. This is great for cost control and for avoiding vendor lock-in, where you are stuck with one company because moving away would be too painful. Let us look at a tiny code example so it feels real. In TypeScript you might write, const agent equals new agent, open brace, name : weather agent, instructions : you help users check the weather, model : OpenAI GPT-4o, tools : open brace weather tool, close brace. Then to use it you simply call, const result equals await agent.generate, open paren, what is the weather in Paris, close paren. That is the whole loop. You describe the agent once, then ask it questions. Mastra also ships with a local development playground. When you run it on your machine, you get a web interface in your browser where you can chat with your agents, watch which tools they call, and inspect each step of a workflow. This is incredibly useful for debugging, because agents can be unpredictable and you really want to see what is happening under the hood. You can tweak instructions, rerun, and see the difference instantly, without redeploying anything. How does Mastra compare to the alternatives? Frameworks like LangChain, LlamaIndex, and CrewAI are powerful but mostly Python first. The VersalAI SDK is excellent for TypeScript but is lower level and focuses on the model calls themselves. Mastra sits a level above that, giving you agents, memory, workflows, and RAG as ready-made pieces. In fact, Mastra is built on top of the Versal AI SDK, so it borrows that solid foundation and adds the higher-level structure on top. So when should you actually reach for Mastra? It is a strong choice when your team already works in TypeScript and you want agents living in the same codebase as your web app. It fits well for chatbots, customer support assistants, internal tools, and document question answering systems. If your team is deeply Python-based or you need very specialized research tooling, a Python framework might suit you better. But for full-stack JavaScript teams, Mastra removes a lot of friction and lets you ship faster. Quick recap. Mastra is a TypeScript-first, open-source framework for building AI agents. Its core pieces are agents, tools, workflows, memory, and RAG. It is model-agnostic, comes with a handy local playground, and is built on the Versal AI SDK. If you live in the JavaScript world, it lets you build serious agents without leaving your favorite language. If you found this helpful, follow for more plain English breakdowns of the tools shaping AI in 2026. Thanks for watching.